Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy February and happy month of love. How cute is this sweatshirt? I just got it actually from H&M. I couldn't find it online because I wanted a link for you guys, but I just found it in store. It's really, really cute. So today is going to be a very Valentine's Day inspired vlog. So I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. It's literally my favorite month. My makeup is also very Valentine's Day inspired. My lip gloss is a really good option for Valentine's Day. It's called Metallic Rose. It's right here. It's a gloss from Anastasia. My nails are also literally so cute. They're to die for. They have little tiny hearts on them. So a little bit later in the video, I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how to achieve these little tiny hearts on your fingers. It's so easy. Literally anybody could do it, and it takes like 5 seconds. So I'm also going to be showing you guys how to make an alternative to like a little Venus and Fleuret rose arrangement. I really don't know how to pronounce the name, but as you know, they're so popular around Valentine's Day because, you know, people like to give them as gifts. Frankie actually got me this one last Valentine's Day. He got me the one with like 4 mini roses. It's so cute, but it's like really small, and I think this costs around like 200 bucks. So that's ridiculous in my opinion. I mean, I'm so happy I got it. I'm very grateful, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cheaper alternative. And I really like the way the big arrangements look. I'll picture one right here, but they are literally like $400. So I'm going to be going to the craft store in a little bit. I'm going to be taking you guys with me. We're gonna pick out some roses. Hopefully they have rose heads there. And then we're gonna pick out a little box or something to go with it. And I'm really excited. And then I'm also gonna stop at Bath & Body Works because they have their Valentine's Day like display scents out. So I really want to pick up a really cute candle that obviously smells good. So I'm also going out to dinner a little bit later tonight, and I really wanna show you guys my outfit. It's gonna be Valentine's Day inspired. So it gives you guys like a little outfit idea. Speaking of outfit ideas for Valentine's Day, I'm going to be uploading a video dedicated all to Valentine's Day outfit ideas. I think that's gonna go up 2 days after this one is posted. I have a ton of outfits that I've been collecting to show you guys. So it's gonna be like a little lookbook, and it's gonna be really cute. So stay on the lookout for that video. If you guys are like wondering where I am, I'm not in my bedroom, I'm in my parents' room. I'm in here because I'm gonna be taking a little photo shoot in here later. I'm also gonna be ordering a heart-shaped pizza. So there you go for Valentine's Day theme. But right now I'm gonna stop blabbering on, and I'm gonna go to Bath & Body Works and see, I already forgot where I'm going. Where am I going? Oh, the craft store. So I'll see you guys when I get there. I literally found a wall of rose heads, but I think I'm gonna do either the pink or the white. The dark pink and the red is really pretty though. I also found all these boxes. That would be like a really good option too. Some of them have like flap tops. Wait, let me show. Some of them have like flap tops, but you could always cut the top off. This is like a really good option. They have so many choices.
Oh, look, this one's pretty.
Oh, that's like really cute.
Yeah, that one's cute.
Oh, look, it has like the butterflies. What does it say on the side? What does
it's like
it say?
French. It's French, Paris.
Oh, that's cute.
That's cute. Look at the inside. It's pretty.
Even this. Even the short little ones are cute.
It's small. It's like you could put it anywhere.
Yeah, this is a good
It
size.
has neutral color.
So I'm back from Bath & Body Works, and oh my god, I picked out this strawberry pound cake candle. It's just like a white wax candle, but it literally smells so good. It literally smells like a strawberry pound cake. I cannot wait to light it. It literally like smells like a dessert, like a strawberry cake or something that you would literally eat. So this is gonna make me hungry. Okay, you guys, so I'm back home from the store, and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. This is the little box that I'm gonna be recreating. I'm using this for inspiration. So when I was at the store, as you saw, they had like a whole bunch of these boxes, like with lids. I don't know what they're even for. I don't know, storing stuff, but whatever. So what I did is I picked one out that I liked. They had a whole bunch of different colors, ones with a whole bunch of different sidings. I just picked up this one that has like a light gray wooded design on it, and on like the back and the bottom it has like a flower print, but you're not gonna really see that. It had a flap, but what I literally did is I lifted it and I cracked it back and it literally broke off. So that's how easy the lids come off. So this is a really famous flower company. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but they are famous for making rose arrangements with real roses that last like a year. I got these last Valentine's Day and these literally look exactly the same as when I first got them. So, I mean, if you really want to splurge, I think this arrangement is actually around like $200. So do you imagine like an arrangement that's like big, like what I'm gonna make today? But I mean, if you want to splurge, go for it, but you get the same exact look for literally a fraction of the price. So I picked up this box for like 15 bucks and it was 40% off too. They actually had rose heads there, which were perfect because that's literally what I was gonna need. So this entire box of roses was only $14.99, which is really good. So together the box and this was like 25 bucks, which you cannot beat because this, I said, 4 little roses is $200. So this would really be a good gift idea for Valentine's Day. You can make it for your friends, you can make it for your sister, your mom, literally whoever, if you don't want to make it for your girlfriend or your spouse or your boyfriend, whoever you would want to make it for. So I think this is a very versatile gift to make someone this Valentine's Day, and it's not gonna break the bank and cost stupid money. So after I have the top off, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and open this box. So it's really nice. I was gonna get a piece of styrofoam to stick the rose heads in, but it actually already comes with styrofoam, this particular box that I got. If you guys are lazy and you don't want to go to the craft store, I'm gonna link a whole bunch of similar options. Like Amazon Prime has a whole bunch of different rose head options, and they have like tons and tons of boxes, probably way more of a selection than the store, but I guess I lucked out. So what I'm gonna do is kind of place these on top, and I'm gonna see that I'm gonna have to trim this styrofoam a little bit because it's not fitting in the box. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the rose heads out of the styrofoam so I could trim it to fit the box. So this is probably stupid, but I'm literally just taking a knife, and styrofoam crumbles like really easily. So what I'm gonna do is I'm literally just breaking into it, and that's it. So now that I trimmed the styrofoam to fit the box, I'm just gonna push it in. Let me see how far I want to put it. So with these boxes, you can see like about half the rose is sticking out. So that's what I'm gonna do for this as well. Let's see. Is that good? Or should we go down more? I think that's okay. And now I'm gonna go ahead and stick these roses. They just like literally come with pointy edges, so it's so easy to just stick right back in. Like, look how easy that was. So literally that quick, your entire box is completely done. And you see how on these boxes the company name is like stamped right here. What I also think would be really cool, I didn't do this because I literally just thought of it, is get like a little stencil, and you could put the person's initial right here. You could lay the stencil on and maybe even like color like with a gold Sharpie or maybe their favorite color or something right there. That would be cute, or like their name, or leave it plain. In my case, I'm just gonna leave it plain because I think it looks really clean and it looks really nice. So part of the reason why I really wanted to make this arrangement is because I want to recreate a photo from one of my favorite bloggers that I follow. Her name is Emily Ann Gemma. She's literally like such an inspiration. So she posted this photo a while back, I think like around last Valentine's Day, and I literally have been wanting to recreate this photo ever since. In the picture, she's got a big Venus floral arrangement, which I'm not buying because it's way too expensive. So I'm happy I have my little arrangement that I could use, and she has a heart-shaped pizza in the photo. So I'm going to use this for the photo. I'm going to see if I could order a pizza heart-shaped. I'm gonna call my local pizzeria right now, and I'm like nervous that they're gonna be like, what do you need a heart-shaped pizza for? But I don't know, hopefully they'll make it. Or maybe I should just order one and just cut it myself. No, I think I'm gonna ask them to make me heart-shaped pizza. So I'm gonna call right now. And also my sister actually knitted me a blanket just like this. So I'm so excited to use that in the photo. I'm also gonna take you guys behind the scenes of the photo shoot. I'm gonna do it probably after I get the pizza, but I'm gonna call them right now.
Love you.
Hello, I was calling to see if you guys do heart-shaped pizzas.
What happened?
I was calling to see if you guys can make a heart-shaped pizza. Well, how long can you have it ready for?
So you want the cheese pie, right?
Yes, a cheese pizza, a small pizza, and I would just like to know if you can make it in the shape of a heart.
Okay, give me 1 second, please.
Thank
okay?
you.
Okay. Go. Go ahead. Take the large.
Yeah,
so
because
you want a large pie, heart pie,
shape.
right?
Yes, heart shape. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Give me 15 minutes, okay?
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye. So right now I'm gonna get my heart-shaped pizza, and I might stop at the store and get some balloons for the photo. I don't know if I really need it, but there's no balloons in her photo. But I don't know, I kind of want to be creative, so maybe I'll get balloons too. But let's go get the heart-shaped pizza. So I'm about to hop in the car. I'm all pinked out today. I'm wearing my Love sweatshirt that you guys saw before, and my Abercrombie pink puffer jacket, and I'm even wearing my little pink Uggs, so I'm gonna look like a 5-year-old. So I got the balloons. They're so cute. Oh my god. I am literally so hungry, so I'm gonna want to eat the pizza when I pick it up, but I have to take a picture first. It's gonna be really hard. Got my balloons. Actually, I wanted to go to Starbucks. Maybe I will go to Starbucks after I get the pizza and get a little Valentine's Day cake pop. Pizza literally came out so cute. Oh my god, it was so embarrassing though, but I'm gonna be off to get my cake pop now. Okay, so I just got home. I got my matcha latte, and I also got my Valentine's Day cake pop. So I'm actually doing my mom's nails. I'm helping her with the little hearts on her nails. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get your little hearts on your nails for your Valentine's Day manicure right now. In order to get like really precise tiny hearts, you need to get like dotting tools. If you don't have dotting tools, I'm sure you could just use the end of a bobby pin and it'll work the same way, but I'll link these below. They're really, really cheap on Amazon, but this is what we use to get like really tiny designs. Okay, to make the little hearts, I'm going to take this OPI gel color, and this is in the shade Big Apple Red. I'm just going to dab a little bit onto the plate. Okay, so on her hand, she has Big Apple Red here, and then this is Funny Bunny, and then this is Mod About You by OPI. So I think we're going to do red hearts on this finger, and then her thumb. Also, you definitely want to have like a little light handy if you're working with gel. This one is like really cheap. I could link it below. I think it was like 15 bucks. So I'll just get like a little bit on my dotting tool, just like this much. So it's really simple. I just did it on the pointer finger, and now I'm going to do it on her ring finger. So I don't grip too much on my dotting tool because then you won't get like a nice precise heart. So what I do is I just like start in the center of the heart and then just like work my way up. And then with like a really light hand, I'll like try to carve the shape that I want. And as soon as I see that I like the shape, you immediately have to cure it if you're using gel, because then it will shrink and it won't keep the shape. Okay, so we got the heart-shaped pizza in the house. I am actually doing this little photo shoot in my mom's room just because I think her headboard is literally so pretty. But I just put the balloons up there, and I put pillows over here. These are pillows from my bed, and this is a blanket that my sister knitted me. So it's just like the blanket in the picture, which is so cute. So the photo shoot went so good. Check out my Instagram to see the pictures and how they came out. Okay, Okay, so for my outfit tonight, I picked out this red top from Topshop. It's like a silk blouse. This would really be good for Valentine's Day too. And then I just have my Gap jeans on, and I just picked up these new boots from Mark Fisher, and they're really cute. They're on sale at Nordstrom, but I think they're sold out, but I'll link a similar pair in the description box. And then I just have my Abercrombie puffer jacket, the brown fur one. And that's it. Okay guys, so it's the end of the night. I'm literally sitting here eating a K-pop. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Valentine's Day themed vlog. I had a lot of fun filming it. I'm literally so excited for Valentine's Day. I'm sorry the lighting's so bad, by the way. But my next video is going to be Valentine's Day outfit ideas, so be on the lookout for that. I have so many cute outfits that I'm so excited to share, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.